Free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're going to talk about Cash App scams that you definitely need to be aware of, especially right now. What's going on with, people still being unemployed, people trying to make more money, and people trying to con other people. It's like running rampant right now. So you definitely want to be aware of this Cash App scam because they are real and they are out there. And actually, I almost, well, not really, but I got, let's say I got approached by a scammer, right? Doing this Cash App scam I'm talking about. So basically, from what I know of, and it happened to me on Facebook, on my Facebook page, I got, this was like a month ago, I got a private message from somebody who's actually on my friend list. So not somebody who I like know, but just a Facebook friend, right? I get this message. And they start off by saying, hey, how you doing, right? And, my Facebook page, I get different inquiries from when I was doing fitness and even marketing questions and stuff like that. So it's not uncommon for somebody to private message me and say, hey, how you doing? Even though usually if somebody wants to message me, they just get straight to the point. But hey, it is what it is. So I got a message like, oh, how you doing? And I was like, oh, great. How you doing? Great. Have you heard of the Cash App opportunity where you can make $1,000 or $3,000 because FEMA passed the new bill or some story, whatever. And I looked at it and I immediately like, this is like corny, right? So I'm like, nope, never heard of it. Playing along with it. Nope, never heard of it, right? So the friend person sends me this long, drawn out email. I mean, not email, but like a template thing, long, like big, telling me about this. Oh, if you get with FEMA is offering this cash back money, all you got to do is buy a gift card. And once you get the gift card, you buy it with your Cash App. And then 5 minutes later, if you bought a $200 gift card, you could get $1,000 back sent straight to your Cash App. It's 100% legit. And then the girl actually even put like, payment proof, and she put all of these obviously fake screenshots, everything, right? Showing somebody who got the money and people being happy. And I'm like, damn, they really going hard with this, right? So I read all that and I looked, so I messaged the person back and I'm like, yeah, it just don't make sense to me. I don't understand. How do you turn $200 into $2,000 just from buying a gift card and from FEMA? Like, well, what that got to do with anything, right? So at that point, they had nothing to say. They was gone. It was done. It was a wrap. They was on to the next prospect, the next scammy, right? Because they knew like, oh, this person knows. So now I looked it up. Just to be like, is there a Cash App scam going on I don't know about, right? So I looked it up. Sure enough, bright as day, Cash App scam. If you Google it, Cash App scam, and they put FEMA, you'll see other stories that was exactly like that. That's what people do. People actually get in people's Facebook accounts. They kind of like hijack their account or whatever. And they actually are using like somebody on your friends list. Somehow they're in their account, however it works. And you think like, oh, this is cool because they're on my friends list. But really, it's not even your friend. The actual real person don't care about you. They don't know what's going on with their account, right? So, and I've seen the story of it happening to somebody else, right? Same strategy, right? They get at you, they say, hey, how you doing? And then they say, have you heard of the Cash App money gift card thing? It's legit, and I got money and blah, 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 blah. This person actually even sent me their ID and license. I don't know how, maybe it was somebody on my friend, I don't know, but they was going hard with this scam. This girl showed me her ID, her license. I don't even know. All I know is it's a scam. Do not fall for that. If somebody started talking about Cash App and FEMA in your inbox, ignore it. Block them, ignore it, do whatever you need to do, but do not send nobody no Cash App money talking about some FEMA where you got to buy a gift card. None of that makes sense. All right. So be very aware of this Cash App scam, right? It's out there. It's real, right? So yeah, that was what this video is about, guys. Cash App scams are real, but you don't have to be scammed by it. Just have your eyes, ears open, just be aware. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.